Welcome back to Buddhism Crypto. Before we delve into today's analysis, let's address some key points. First off, a quick disclaimer. What you're about to hear is not financial advice. It's for educational, entertainment purposes only. And just to be transparent, both Crypto Poppy and I are investors in Zcash. Now let's jump into the latest insights from our crypto mentor, Mike, aka Crypto Poppy, on TradingView.com. Crypto Poppy has brought attention to Zcash's lag behind the rest of the market, noting its historical correlation with Litecoin and Compound, but rather than just observing, Crypto Poppy sees an opportunity.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
A cologne?
No.
Opportunity.
No. Money.
He believes Zcash is primed for a significant swing trade opportunity, citing factors such as Bitcoin's all-time highs, Ethereum's steady growth, and Litecoin's flirtation with the $100 level. Now let's dive into the technical analysis provided by Crypto Poppy. He outlines the key levels for Zcash's potential breakout, including Fibonacci levels, support and resistance points, and trend lines. According to Crypto Poppy, overcoming the 0.236 Fibonacci level at $65.60 is the first hurdle Zcash needs to clear. Next, there's a significant level of support and resistance at $129.19. That's a 322% gain, followed by the golden Fibonacci level at $141.20. That's a 360% gain. Additionally, Crypto Poppy draws attention to a purple trend line indicating potential support around $154.40. That's a 404% gain, with another significant support and resistance level at $160.91. That's a 425% gain. Finally, he identifies a red box of resistance drawn from the top of the wick from April 25, 2022, with the bottom at $166.02. That's a 442% gain, and a top at $170.04. That's a 457% gain. These are the levels that Crypto Poppy believes will come into play as Zcash catches up with the rest of the market. It's a comprehensive analysis that provides valuable insights for traders looking to capitalize on potential price movements. And as always, Crypto Poppy emphasizes the importance of trading smart and securing profits. In the volatile world of crypto, prudent risk management is key to long-term success. So, what's your take? Do you believe Zcash is gearing up for a significant comeback? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. That wraps up today's analysis.
Yo, the sign is real simple, B. It says wrap it up.
Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. And before we go, I want to make a special request. We're on the verge of hitting another all-time high on our subscriber count. Right now, we're at 285 subscribers, but I know we can reach 300 subscribers with your help. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Together, let's make Buddhism Crypto even better. This is Buddhism Crypto. Until next video.